everyone, this is Ashi and welcome to my YouTube channel Budget Travel with Ashi, and I'm going to tell you how to pack for 10 days in a 30-liter bag. Okay, so what we have here, this is the 30-liter bag that I have. I got this when DECATHLON actually opened up in Chennai. A proper 30-liter bag from DECATHLON, they make really hardy stuff, so budget friendly also. The best way to pack your stuff is always to get organizers like these. So, inga madri organizers kedikkum. This is from WILDCRAFT. This is one organizer. This is where the main clothes will go into. Paakradhukku romba kuttiya irukku, but I will show you how much this can actually accommodate. This is another bag from Miniso. Inner garments and your sock can be put in this. And this one we have is a toiletry bag. So those are my shoes. I have my trekking shoes. What I generally do is I always wear the heavier stuff, so I don't have to put such a huge shoe into my bag. And this is just a small sandal that I have that is multi-purpose, so I can just use this as a slip-on. Our 30-liter bag, inner garments, a swimsuit, a pair of socks. So all of that will go into this bag. And these are my main clothes. Alright, so this will go into this, and they're all my main clothes. And these are my toiletries, and they'll go into my toiletry bag. The tip to pack things in a very small organizer is that to try and fold your clothes. Now, our aim is to occupy as much space as possible. Roll pandra technique will not work in this organizer. Neriya things vekka mudiyadu comfortable. So adanalada we will have it as flat spread as possible. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. General sleepwear is repeat panve, so I only take for 10 days or 4 5 sleepwears. In the section we will be keeping all the tops, so pants ella go on the other side. 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 sleepwear tops. Ta-da! This is the top section, and we will zip it up carefully. So let's move on to the other side. This is where my bottom wear will go. Don't take too many pants. I just take 2 or 3 pants that I can repeat and wear in order night pants. 2 day wear pants vachirken and 3 night pants vachirken. I will be repeating them. There are 10 day wear tops and 5 night wear tops. Yeah, 2 outer wear pants and 3 night wear pants. So this is good to go. And let's pack the innerwear. So I have inner garments for 10 days. Socks or anything smaller. You can also put other stuffs here if you have space. I have my lens pack here. And ta-da, you're good to go with your inner garments. If you have more space, you can also put your chargers, your cables in here. So the toiletry is now things that do not fit into the toiletry bags can actually, toiletry bag can actually go in here because I have some space left. Our bags packed. I have packed 10 outerwear, and which is not really required, because you can always repeat your outfits. If it is going to be very hot, I would suggest that you take cotton wear and not synthetic, because synthetic tends to stink quicker than cotton wear. So do take cotton, and do take your deodorant so you can repeat your outerwear. So we're going to put all of this inside this 30-liter bag. A lot of space here. Right. I will put my shoes inside. Shoes you can probably, because I have this comb that will not fit anywhere. I still have a lot of space here, so if you want to insert additional pair of chappals or sandals, you can put them here. Everything that I want to take my electronics. Ta-da! This is my 30-liter bag and I'm packed for 10 days. So I used to be a very heavy packer. 2-3 days kind of trip I will carry this much. I've learned a lot with whatever experience that I have become a very light packer. So if I've taken 10 days, 10 day wear, and I will probably use them for 20 days. So I'm good with this bag for about a month, I can manage. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.